Hello guys, I will be showing you how to edit your sound and how to use Audacity. By using Audacity, it's a free source, free download, doesn't harm your computer, and the link is right here. Audacity.source.forge.net. Okay, so once you've done it, you're gonna go to download, and then you're gonna for Audacity for Windows. That's for me. I have a Windows computer, so I'm gonna click Audacity for Windows. Now I will install this one, and down here you will see you will open in 4 minutes, and I will be back when it is open. Okay, so once it has loaded, it's gonna open up this. You're gonna click run, and it will run it. Yes, English, and if you're English, then click next, save a folder it's in. Okay, now you're gonna apply next, create a desktop item, install, and install. It will install. So it's done installing. You're gonna click next and then finish. Okay, and it will go up. Turn this up. This is record. So la 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 la, and then this is stop. So you can play it. And then you can just highlight it and delete by pressing backspace. Now, so I'm gonna make, so you can get a scary sound. Like right now it's Halloween, and I'm gonna get a scary sound. I'll make a scary video. Okay, so once you've imported your music, once you've got your music, you're gonna go file, import audio, and then you're gonna find your music. So I already found my music. I want to make this a little, because it's a little loud right now. Because I'm gonna be talking over it, so it's gonna be a little too loud. And so what you want to do right now is, so you're gonna highlight just by highlighting it. You're gonna highlight it, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Effect and Amplify. Amplification to make it a little less. You can make it go lower. If you want to make it go a little more amplified, then you can make it higher. I'm gonna make it a little like this. Preview. Okay, that's good. So I'm gonna click OK. So see how it made it smaller? These are the voice sounds, voice waves, and the higher it is, the more it will. So what I'm gonna do right here, I want to delete this part because this part is basically nothing. So I'm just gonna highlight it in backspace. So now right here, I want to make my voice. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna click this record button. It all happened one day. when nobody knew what happened to him. He didn't know what was going on himself, but it just happened suddenly. Boom, boom. He heard a knock on the door. Okay, so this is my recording thing. So now if I unmute it, so right now as you can see, it's not that loud. So I'm gonna go to effects, amplify, and I'm gonna amplify it. Okay, so I can click. I'm gonna go to effects again, amplify, and 13 was good. Okay, and now you can see it's amplified, and it will play at the same time. So if I click play from the beginning, I wanted to play from here, so I'm gonna click play. Okay, so as you can see, it looks good so far. You can make it bigger, but if you want to make the voice deeper, like it all happened one day, you can make the voice deeper by going to effect, change pitch, and percent change. The lower the percent change, the lower the voice is. So let's just do okay. So now let's try it. So I want to make it a little more deeper. I'm gonna go to effect, change pitch, and I'm gonna change it to, let's say, 33. As you can see right now, it will change the pitch of my voice. Okay, that's a little too deep, but it'll be fine. So you can make also a choir, like by um recording. Play. Okay, so now see, as you can see, after this it's gonna scream and yell. I'm gonna yell, and then I can continue recording by saying right here, by clicking on this, and I can go like this. That was the scream of her voice when she heard. So as you can see right now, if I play it, and it will play, and then so you can stop, and so if you want to make it at the same time like a choir, you just copy this like this, and you can just move it. You can just move it by moving it by uh by moving it like this.